Hindi na ako nagagawa. Alarming din sa Pilipinas.
Kaya kaya sila sa mga ano.
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for Long Island Sound west of New Haven, CTPORT Jefferson, New York. Long Island Sound east of New Haven, CTPORT Jefferson, New York, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:01 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of showers capable of developing into thunderstorms, producing strong winds over 35 knots from 6 nautical miles east of the Housatonic River to 4 nautical miles west of Stratford Shoal, moving east at 20 knots. The thunderstorms will be near Hayrod Point, central Long Island Sound around 5:45 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following marine locations: Long Island Sound west of New Haven, Connecticut to Port Jefferson, New York, and Long Island Sound east of New Haven, Connecticut to Port Jefferson, New York. Here is the forecast.